Are you coming to play with Mimi and Lulu? Let's go. Riddle 1. I make cling cling when you tap it. Who am I? A fork? A glass? Or a tree? Well done. I'm the glass. With me, you can drink water or fruit juice. Riddle 2. I cut apples and carrots. Who am I? A plate, a knife, or a glass? Well done! I'm the knife. I can also cut bread, meat, and lots of other things. Riddle 3. I drink soup with you. Who am I? A microwave? A sponge? A spoon? Wow, I'm the spoon. And I can also help you eat your yogurt or ice cream. Riddle 4. I go when I cook your eggs. Who am I? A pan? A cake? A pencil? Well done! I'm the pan. I can help you cook your eggs or your pancakes, for example. Riddle 5. I have teeth to stab meat. Who am I? A fork? A train? A carafe of water? Well done! I'm the fork, and I can help you eat your pasta or your cake. Did you like it? Then don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to discover lots of other videos. See you soon!